Your mindset is everything. Your mindset will determine if you will make it or not. Your mindset will determine if you will be remembered or forgotten. Your mindset will determine whether you will be committed to achieving your goals when things get tough, as we all know they will, because no human goes through life without huge challenges. Your mindset is without doubt your greatest asset. It is worth more than any financial or business training. It is more valuable than any degree, any education. It is capable of earning more in 1 year than any doctor, dentist, or investor. If your mindset says, I will do whatever it takes, if that is your mindset, of course you will follow through. Your mindset is everything. There is no greater asset than yourself, your own mind. Every day you are given many choices. Take the easy road, or the road uphill that leads to success. The uphill track is challenging, yes, it is tough. It will push you to your limits, but in pushing you to your limits, you will also find if you only show your courage, it will push you past your perceived limitation to growth and success. You see, nothing worthwhile in this life comes easy. If it did, as the saying goes, everybody would do it. Everyone doesn't do it. They don't do it because it's hard, because their standards are set by their peers, because they lack the courage, because their mindset is stuck in the easy road. The worst part for these guys is the easy road becomes the hard road down the track. The easy choice in the beginning leads to tough moments later in life. Nothing about the easy road is beneficial long term. If you sacrifice now, you will enjoy the benefits for many tomorrow. You see, in order to have the things that others don't, you must do the things that others won't. Are you willing? Your mindset will determine if you will fight for your goal, your dream, and your vision. Your mindset will determine if you are among the 3% who didn't give up, the 3% who employ the other 97% of people that did give up. Your mindset will determine if you are remembered or forgotten. Do you think you have what it takes? Are you going to give up, or have you got some fight left in you? If you burn the bridges, eliminate all possible forms of retreat, if there is no plan B, only your one plan A, you will achieve that which you want. If you are sleeping more hours than your competition, and you truly believe you are giving it your all, well, wake up earlier. But more important, wake up to yourself. If you know within yourself you can give more, then give more. Not when you are talking to others. When you reflect within yourself, can you give more? Can you sacrifice 1 hour of sleep? 1 more hour wasted in front of the TV? Ain't no millionaires watching soapies at 7 p.m. I give you that tip. They are grinding. They are looking for opportunities. Opportunities you are missing because you are relaxing. You are taking the easy road. The easy road ain't bringing you nothing but hard times. Do you think you have what it takes? Are you going to give up, or have you got some fight left in you?